Salvatore Rucchetta, and I'm the owner of MBR Services. We specialize in BMX, but we service every bike, any type of bike. So anything that walks in the door, we will service and we will fix. When I got into the car accident, I was rear-ended on the highway, and so my back and everything was off balance. So what they said to strengthen all your muscles and everything, they said to ride a bicycle. And so when I started riding a bike, if it was at physiotherapy or on my own, I started to like it. I noticed the bicycle repair shop, and I have some technical skills, so mechanically inclined. So I started to dabble in it a little bit, and here we are 4 years later. Being an entrepreneur is my own business, and I funded it, and everything is from me. I feel I've done a lot, and I want to do a lot more, just not only for the BMX industry. I'd like to also help every cyclist out there that needs help, and seeing them happy with the repair, and that brings joy to me. Before I started working with BreezeMaxWeb, I found that my online wasn't as strong as I wanted it to be. So I wasn't getting enough traffic into the store. So what BreezeMaxWeb did for me was, I have an e-commerce website, so when they click on the link or whatever they search, it brings up my website. And so they can either buy from the website, which BreezeMaxWeb helped me to do, the e-commerce website, or they come in person. But the online sales have increased also, just because of the fact that BreezeMaxWeb helped me rank my business higher. When you Google or search for something, if it's a BMX bike, BMX part, my listing comes in the top 1 or 2, or maybe top page. So they don't have to scroll further, and that increased my business. People usually don't scroll through Google to the second page. It's Google first page, that's where you see it. So having my business on the first page, and sometimes even the first link, is amazing, because that's where people are gonna click first. So having BreezeMaxWeb do that, so we work together to get that on the top page, is fantastic, and business is better because of that. I noticed that the increase in the business with using BreezeMaxWeb in a couple months. Having BreezeMaxWeb working with a niche business like myself, I find that they're on your personal side of things, so they work with you closer. BreezeMaxWeb is one of the best companies out there to work with, just for the fact their price is great, they're effective, and they also treat customers very well.